Hi, I'm Curt Drew. Today I'm going to show you how we transfer this standard heating and air system, this HVAC system, into an air cleaning machine. So first off, the HVAC system has returns and it's pulling air from throughout the whole house. And it's taking that air, conditioning it, and then injecting it through the supplies. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the standard filter out of their system and put in the Breathe Easy air cleaner, which is going to filter the air, the big particles and the very, very small particles, the radon decay product and viruses and those types of things. And the other thing we're going to do is put in a UVC light. Up here in the furnace, there is an AC coil in here that's doing the cooling of the air. What happens over time is that gets gunky and builds up with particles on it, and those particles happen to be mold spores and different kind of gunk that builds up on there. It's very difficult to clean that. Okay, so you have to take this apart to try to clean it. With a UVC light, you can put that and shine it directly on that AC coil, and the UVC is a powerful light that kills bacteria and anything on surface. And so it's a great technology. So now, after we install those two products, this furnace is going to clean all the air and make it really efficient so nothing else gets injected in the house like bacteria. It's going to be an efficient air cleaning machine that heat and cools the home. One of the tools we're going to use when we're installing the UVC light is this snake light that is also a camera. It operates off of Bluetooth and connects to your smartphone. And we're going to utilize these ports here that are actually already in the system here to look inside the furnace to identify where that AC coil is, and then we'll mark and put our UVC light in the best location possible so it's shining right on that UVC coil and killing all that bacteria. Utilizing our scope camera, we were able to identify that the A coil is actually up here inside this furnace. So you can see by the pipes coming in the side here where it connects. So we have the coil here. So we can put the UVC light above it or below it. And in this situation, we've got a nice void here and a good spot. So we're going to put it right here, and then that'll shine right up on that coil and it'll clean it right up. Okay gang, we finished installing both the Breathe Easy air cleaner and the UVC light. As you can see, the UVC light is running here and it's cleaning inside of there. And then we went ahead and put the filter cover on the Breathe Easy air cleaner, so it's installed. And this is how we can take a traditional HVAC system, upgrade it to an overall indoor air quality cleaning machine.